Hello, third graders, and welcome to science. We are now going to start looking at habitats and ecosystems. We've already looked at water and the water cycle and some ways that we can keep our water clean. Now let's go ahead and get started. If you have not yet watched the ecosystems video, I want you to pause this, go back, watch that video, and then come back. So in the video, you heard about the word habitat, ecosystem, and some other terminology for habitats. Now, first, let's look at a habitat. A habitat is an area or an environment where plants and animals live. Now, remember, on these worksheets in your class KIC, you can just draw a line to the area it needs to go to. So an area or environment where a plant or animal lives. Now, an ecosystem are all of the living and non-living parts. You heard that word abiotic and biotic. That means living and non-living. All the different parts in an environment. Now, a community, if you think about our community and where we live, it is the population that lives in the same place, a population that lives in the same place. So maybe that's a community of a certain type of animal. And population is a group of the same organisms that live in the same place. So this is a specific group of organisms. And two other words that we'll be talking about are terrestrial, means that things that live on land or relating to land, and aquatic are things that live in water or relating to water. Now, the next thing we're going to look at today are specific words that relate to a habitat. There are 5 essential parts that a habitat must have for an organism to thrive. I want you to drag the words you think from watching the videos. What things does an organism, something that is living, need to survive? Once you're done with that, you are finished with science for today.